Old Blue Betty's ready for some upgrades, guys. So I got her a big black pipe from Autosaver88. Amazon store. I'll be showing you the store in a little bit. Easy install. This particular pipe, all you need is an Allen wrench. That's all you need.
What size is it in there?
Yeah, we'll figure that out.
Oh, yeah.
You get to pick your size, pipe, whatever, style. They got some pretty cool styles you should check out. And it's just that simple. Clamp style on the end. Let's go. I like that distance. We'll go with that distance. And it just starts to tighten up.
Just enough.
Sticks out just enough. Makes her look pretty.
Got a little bit of snow here in Southern Michigan.
Yeah, we got some exhaust tips for you know, the guys that want the little rumble. There we go. Easy peasy. 30-second install. Boom.
Let's fire it up and see what it sounds like.
It's gonna sound about the same with this pipe. But if you want a link to their products, we got, I got it pulled up on the computer right here. Autosaver88. They make all kinds of stuff. We ended up getting a radiator from them not too long ago. They also make a ton of other products. But here's their exhaust tips. $1.5 to $2.5 on this style. Sleek rolled angle cut makes your vehicle sound, rumble, and crackle. If that's your kind of thing. And I think this one is pretty cheap. We got all different styles. What do we got here? We got black painted, $28.99, blue burnt, silver polished. The blue burnt kind of looks cool. Maybe a cheap little Christmas gift for your car, dude. All different styles, all different designs. I'll put a link to their Amazon store in the comments. Here's the Autosaver88 website, and they just make all kinds of stuff at affordable prices if you want to check it out. Right now they got a Christmas sale going on, a holiday special. 20% off of all kinds of stuff. I might scoop up an LED bar. I've never tried their coils or anything like that, so I can't really speak on that. Those Jeep lights actually look pretty cool. What do you think, guys? This way or the other way? I don't know which way I like it better. I think I like it like that better. Doesn't really change the sound much with this tip, and I wasn't really going for that. Woo, it fogged up my lens quick. But, yeah. Makes old Blue Betty look a little better. I like it. It's cute.